Okay, so today we continue to SQL. In the previous we talked about min and max. Now we talk about count, average, and sum. So let's start SQL. This one. Count. So normally when we select start, means that we get all the value of the table. We get 1180. So if we want to count how many rows, okay, this start. I count. Constant. I get this like this. This. See. Count. Okay. Count. We use it for count row number. How many row number of just like if we put condition where unit price bigger or equal 5. Sorry, unit price, yeah, this one. We got 5 rows. So how to get this? You can select that as this. Oh, okay. This one. So 500 we get from this. 500 row of this. That we get the cost. Sorry, unit price is bigger and equal 5. Also, if we put n more and lower than 10, unit price lower than 10, so we get only 121. We put an addition here. So it count it. We use for counter. Okay, and condition depend on your purpose. What do you want? Count of the cost, quality, and here's I use only unit price. And if I put and cost bigger than 1, bigger than 1, bigger than 1, I mean 2 or 1 point here. 1.2 is like this also. So 111. So when we put this one more condition, we can get right for count. This we use it for count of how many rows that of the condition to make the condition more. Okay, so average. If we talk about average, we can do like this. We can example cost 5 unit price. Okay, let's start. I put the cost equal 5. How many? Oh, it's still a lot. It's still a lot. 20 rows. 20 rows, but we see 5, 15, and 10, and 8. It is like this. So we want to find average of the unit price. ABC average. We use unit price. Okay, this one. Order by. I write order by unit price. Easy for you check the small to the big. So if we talk about it here, you see 7.47. Okay, we need after point is 2 digits only. Between the two digits, the big is 15. So the average is 4 point. Sorry, not 4. 7.47. Okay, this average means that we want to find average between the price to this price. And also when we put condition, example, and unit price lower or equal 10. So if we talk about lower and equal 10, we get 10 and like this. So the average around 5.5, 7 point. Okay. From this is still 7.08. Average. This depends on condition of the sum in here, and then find the average. We need to find the average, the middle. Is the one, and the one more is sum. Talk about sum. We use sum like the it's also average. It like the similar to the Excel. We find the value of between these two this and count sum. We sum out this and we sum out this. Like I copy here and then to Excel and then sum out it. We get 149.55. So I count. So let's sum this one. Sorry. This one. Copy from this one. Yeah, this one. The first one is we put all. The first one we know condition like this. So if we sum out this, yeah, it is 134 and 55. Okay. If we use sum, we sum the value and we use it for the number or double or money only, not sum for the name. Like this, it will error. Yeah. It we use for the number. And sum cost also. How much? How cost? 25. We get 95. Isn't it? Mean we finish count for color average for find value between this one to this one. Sum we sum of the value. It is used for the type number, and money we count for the number, sum for the number. Okay.